Hi, let's unbox and review the CMF Phone 1. So I'm gonna start with opening the box. And here we got, of course, phone itself. So as you can see, mine is in this turquoise color, but the manufacturer offers a black version as well, and different colored covers are sold in addition. So we got here this Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Also, let's remove this plastic part. Here we got this QR code for quick start, and also we got this user manual. Now we can remove this plastic part as well, and we'll find here this ejector pin with the help of which you can open your SIM slot. And that's basically everything you got in this box. Unfortunately, power adapter is not included, so these are quite bad news, but you still got perfect phone and Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Now let's talk about my impressions of this phone. So the CMF Phone 1 resembles an iPhone in its design quite a bit. It's not heavy and it's comfortable in your hands. The body is plastic, but with metal accents on the sides for durability. The display size is 6.67 inches Super AMOLED with Full HD resolution, but not too bright in the sun. The in-screen fingerprint sensor works well, and Face Unlock works quickly. As you can see, my phone is already unlocked with the help of Face ID, and we can try fingerprint, and it also reacts really fast. Also, firmware phone runs smoothly without serious lags. You can play even demanding games such as Genshin Impact, for example, however, at low graphic settings. Dimensity is 7300 and 812GB of RAM perfectly support this system. Now let's talk about camera. A 50 megapixel camera and a portrait sensor for those who like to take pictures of their relative. The photo quality corresponds to its price. The colors are natural, HDR works well, but video can be shot in 4K but only up to 30 FPS. Let me show you this. So we are in a video mode right now and I can switch to 4K, but unfortunately I cannot change FPS. So we got available only 30 FPS at 4K. Also, if you tap on three dots, we can turn on HDR, and the same we can do in this photo mode. So here you can also switch to 50MP camera quality. And of course you can turn on HDR here. And now let's talk about battery. So the 5000 mAh battery lasts for a full day with a screen time of 8 hours despite extensive use. It charges with a 33-watt cable, and although there is no wireless charging support, can be used as an external battery. All in all, the CMF Phone 1 is quite a worthwhile choice if you are looking for something affordable with decent performance and camera. Among the major disadvantages, there is no NFC feature, which means there will be no payments through the phone either. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.